Tread depth. It's something you measure on dozens of tires every day, but most of your customers likely aren't thinking much about it at all. In fact, most customers don't realize how much it impacts how their tires perform. Traction, comfort, rolling resistance. You'd be amazed at what a little bit of rubber, or lack thereof, can do. Let's dive into the details next. Tread depth affects all kinds of variables. More tread depth, for example, means there's more rubber, and more rubber traps more heat. That's why light truck tires, which often have deeper tread, run hotter and usually carry lower speed ratings than ultra-high performance tires with shallower designs. Heat is the enemy of durability, and tread depth directly affects it. Next, let's talk about rolling resistance. When you add more tread depth, you also add friction. That means the tire has to work harder to roll, and fuel efficiency takes a hit. Now, engineers can offset some of that by using more advanced rubber compounds, but there's always a trade-off between long tread life and low rolling resistance. Traction is another balancing act. In dry conditions, less tread depth can actually improve braking and handling. Think about slick race tires. That's why they're slick. But in rain or snow, deeper tread helps move water, bite into slush, and maintain control. That's why in adverse conditions, driving on tires with low tire tread, say anything under 4/32 of an inch, can quickly become dangerous. Then there's ride and comfort. More tire depth cushions road impacts, but that softer feel can also dull steering response. See, there's a reason why different tires all have such different designs, even within the same segment. So the next time you check tread depth, think about everything the result is telling you. It's the clearest picture of how that tire performs today, as well as how it'll handle tomorrow. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.